It's moving day! Super excited, y'all. We're on our way to the bank and then heading, here, can you hold it? And then we're heading to, what's it called? To the actual apartment. So, here we go. Yay! I'm excited, you guys. It's like surreal. It's weird. Ooh, I can like put my camera right here. Oh. Okay. Anyway, this is what we got. Super nice. Little details make it really, really nice. So, it's a brand new apartment. Really excited for it. Yay. And then we have the nest. So yeah, this is what it looks like from this side. You can't really see how big it is. It's also really, really tall ceilings, which makes it look so big. I think it's like 13-foot ceilings, so. Hey y'all, so it's day 2. About to start putting up the boxes. I have a lot of different boxes in here, obviously. A lot of stuff going on. And so trying to get the kitchen probably has the most boxes overall. So trying to get that done, and I'm about to actually Lysol. I'm not a germaphobe, but I'm just very particular, and I want my space clean. So I'm about to Lysol all the cabinets, because I'm not putting lining down, because Christian said that was old school, whatever. And I don't want to buy liner, so let's just be real, so. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. How am I gonna reach? Oh my gosh. Yo. Also, these are 13-foot ceilings, and I really don't understand how I'm gonna get up there to do the rest of these. Maybe Christian will have to help me, but yeah, so anyway. Okay, so one hopefully non-issue. Like there's still construction going on over here in this area. However, it's like there's always like people or like construction trucks out here. And it's like low-key kind of loud down here. So I'm hoping for YouTube videos the sound is okay, because that would be tragic. But I think it will. I have so much going on. They're drilling something outside, God knows what. Dishwasher going, washing machine going, But yesterday it was really, really good. So how we kind of started this moving process was I packed up as much as I possibly could. We loaded it into a U-Haul and brought everything over here, me and Christian. And then I did hire movers, and they're gonna bring like the big stuff over here on Sunday. So it is like a delayed move, and I'm actually really glad that I kind of sparsed it out a little bit so I have time between and I'm not like rushing and anxious and stuff. So I'm like re-washing all my dishes just because, like I said, I'm very particular, but re-washing all my dishes because this dishwasher is nice. I think what I'm gonna do now is do my food, put it over here in the pantry, organize it, figure out how I want it to go. I have these like little canister things, and I'm not sure if I want to leave them out on the counter or if I want to put them up. I do want a very clean space, so I may put them up somewhere, but I'm not sure. And I hope y'all can hear me. It's very echoing in here because we don't have furniture in here. So anyway, this is super nice. I really, really like it. It's really big. Okay, so now I need to figure out where I want everything. There are literally crazy amount of cabinets in here, so I don't know where I want everything to go. I'm thinking, okay, so I'm gonna put wine glasses up there. I don't even drink wine, but I don't know. Maybe I won't put wine. I don't know what to put up there. Here's the pantry, so I don't have to worry about like all the food. All the food's gonna go over here. I'm trying to figure out if I want this to go. I don't know. I don't know. Y'all, I really hope this apartment's not gonna be too super loud. It's my thing. I think it'll be fine, but still. Anyway. Okay, so maybe is this two things? Yeah, okay. So maybe I do plates right here, plates and bowls maybe. Yeah, because I can do this plates and then bowls, maybe cups up here. I don't know, why is it so hard? Do I do cups over here? I don't know. I have a lot of cups, y'all, so I want to figure out how I want to do my cups. I don't know, maybe I'll just start putting stuff in here and just see from there. Trying to figure out if I want to get organizational stuff that, because these pantry things are deep, and I'm like, how am I gonna know what the heck is up there? I don't know. There's so much space, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know where to put stuff. I don't know. Like, do I still want my tuna? Does this stuff even expire? Oh, it's good. I saw this really cool thing, and it was like to have like a tea drawer, and I was like, ooh. So anyway, that's what this will be. It's like my little tea drawer, and I say this like I just drank a ton of tea, but let's just pretend like I do. And yeah, so this is what the plan is. I'm gonna put like all my tea bags in here, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do over here. Maybe like some other organizational thing here, but just tea bags all in there because I think it'll be super cute. Or actually, there we go. This stuff works, y'all. Works. I was taken aback the first time I used it. Anyway, so yeah, here's all my tea bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Y'all, it's Sunday. I can't remember the last time I picked up the camera because this has been so crazy. It's been such a crazy move. Literally, look at all the stuff that's in here. Like, just a mess, okay? So I'm putting up stuff in the freezer now because obviously I don't want that stuff to melt because I brought that from my other place. Yeah, so don't mind my appearance. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. But I'm trying to get as much done as I can today. Y'all, I did not think this out right. I had them coming to like bring the big stuff today on Sunday, not realizing, oh wait, I gotta work tomorrow. So I should have had them come on Friday. I can't remember my logic behind not wanting them to come on Friday. I think it was because my bed was being delivered on Friday because I got a new bed, like a new frame. I think that was it. But anyway, y'all, it's been rough and I need to get cute soon because I feel like I've just been looking so raggedy and looking. So I just need to get cute soon for my own self. But anyway, okay, about to put up the frozen stuff real quick.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Okay, so freezer is unpacked. Boom, boom. I got me a fruit drawer, shelf, whatever. Then kind of a meat slash, I don't really eat meat, so that type of drawer. And then vegetable, like frozen vegetables, and then like my starters, so like my bell peppers, onions. I always get a whole bunch of those. So that's good for me to be able to see how many I have because I have way too many. And then Daily Harvest over here. I used to work with them. And then that's about it. And then just some ice stuff, ice cubes. Those things up there. That's what we got. Okay, so freezer's done, refrigerator is not. So this has too much sugar. Actually, I might give that to Christian, but I'm not gonna drink that. That was my uncle's. So ooh, I may need this later. Okay. Where do I want everything? Y'all, can we just talk about for a second? Let's just talk about this refrigerator. Refrigerator, whatever. And freezer. I'm excited. Like, look at all the space. I mean, meal prep heaven. Don't we think? I think so. Okay, so we're going to unload the refrigerator stuff. Have Dash's carts over there. Y'all, it's just stuff everywhere. So I'm excited for it all to be done though. So once I finish doing the refrigerator, I'm actually gonna start on the closet. The closet should actually be fairly simple because I literally just, I did like the method I saw on Pinterest where you put like trash bags around your clothes and then I just put them in boxes. So that's all that there is for the clothes. That's all I gotta do is literally hang them up. So that's why I'm doing that next. That'll get rid of like probably like 4 to 5 boxes, low-key, and a suitcase, and that way I can have more room to do stuff from there. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna throw this away. Okay, that bag is way too full. You know when you like play like balance the trash on top of your trash can? Yeah. Hey you guys, so I realized I did not finish out the vlog. Just wanted to say we are in, we are good. I don't say we, like I'm in, I live by myself, but me and Bubba over here, we're good, aren't we? Okay. Anyway, here he comes, come here. Okay. So anyway, you guys, yeah, I actually really like the place. I will say this is the loudest apartment I have ever lived at. Like there's always something going on outside. Like there's freaking sawing to the other side of the earth at all times. And if it's not that, the next door neighbor's music is just loud. But aside from that, it's a really loud apartment, but it's a beautiful apartment. So once I get everything, I'm still unpacking. I have like one more box to go. But once I get everything done, I am gonna kind of walk you guys through the new apartment tour, all that stuff. Super excited. So Anyway, it's filming day, and so I'm about to film some videos really quick. And yeah, so I just wanted to pop on here, say hello, and close out the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, let me know if you like that type of content. Give it a thumbs up, as well as be sure you subscribe if you have not already. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.